So previously, my son had a little accident, a Mini Cooper. He tore up the transmission pan. I ordered a new pan and gasket, and twice transmission fluid was leaking between the new pan and the gasket. Just put some RTV black. I let it set for 30 hours, so now only time will tell. Feel like I'm almost on the option stuff. So hopefully this is going to work because for the past 2 times I've had a transmission fluid come up underneath the gasket, not on top of the gasket, but underneath the gasket. So some RTV black set for 30 hours, and let's just hope this will fix the leak for some time to come. This is crazy. Absolutely insane.